AI engineers and ML practitioners, tired of switching between Slack and Jupyter notebooks to debug models? Manual data handling slowing your NLP pipelines? This skill deploys AI models directly into Slack via REST APIs and WebSockets, enabling real time sentiment analysis, entity extraction, and automated workflow triggers using event driven architectures. Build bots that parse messages with regex powered intent detection, auto generate SQL queries from chat commands, or stream ML predictions to channels via PubSub. No more works on my machine excuses. Your team gets live model outputs in the palm of their hands. Here's what's inside the Building AI Slack integration skill. Create Slack bots with Node.js SDKs that hit fast API endpoints for model inference. Process messages in real time using Kafka streams for low latency NLP tasks. Configure/commands that trigger LangChain powered prompt workflows. Extract structured data from chat with Spacey integrated parsers. Monitor bot performance via Prometheus metrics. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn your Slack into a command center for AI operations. Installing the Building AI Slack integration skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-slack-integration. That's it. You get the complete skill, expert level guidance, production ready code templates, and Slack app manifest files. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands event schemas, API rate limiting strategies, and how to debug message routing failures. Just don't blame us when your team starts treating Slack like a Jupyter notebook.